Let me ask you a question that most car dealers in America do not want you to think about. What if I told you that right now, today, you can walk into a used car lot?
Are we there yet?
Not yet, sweetie. Look at that view, though.
It's so pretty.
The used car market in America is full of traps. Vehicles that look clean on the outside, carry attractive price tags, and hide serious mechanical problems that reveal themselves only after the paperwork is signed and the money has changed hands. But buried within that same market, available at dealerships and private sellers across every state in the country, are some of the most reliable and long-lasting vehicles ever built. Cars that can be purchased for under $15,000 and driven confidently for 200,000 miles or more, with nothing more than routine maintenance and basic care. Finding these vehicles requires knowing exactly which models have proven themselves in the real world and which ones simply cannot be trusted regardless of how good the deal appears on the surface. These are the best cars under $15,000 that will genuinely last 200,000 miles in 2026. The Toyota Corolla is the undisputed champion of this category, and it has held that title for decades without serious challenge. The Corolla is the car that ordinary Americans, students, young professionals, families on tight budgets, retirees living on fixed incomes, have trusted to deliver dependable transportation year after year without drama or surprise. A clean 2014 or 2015 Toyota Corolla can be found on the American used car market for between $10,000 and $13,000, and that vehicle comes with a reliability record that is genuinely extraordinary. Toyota Corolla owners across America have documented crossing the 200,000-mile mark with nothing more than oil changes, tire rotations, and brake pad replacements. The engine is simple, conservative, and brilliantly engineered to last. The transmission is smooth and durable. The overall build quality reflects Toyota's obsessive commitment to long-term dependability over short-term impressiveness. If you have $15,000 to spend on a used car and you want the absolute safest and most proven choice available, a clean Toyota Corolla is the answer that every experienced mechanic in America will give you without hesitation. The Honda Civic earns its place at number 2 on this list through decades of documented reliability that rivals the Corolla in almost every measurable category. A clean 2013 or 2014 Honda Civic can be found for between $10,000 and $12,000 on the American used market, and buyers who choose a well-maintained example are getting one of the most capable and dependable vehicles available at any price point. Honda's engines are legendary among mechanics for their ability to accumulate enormous mileage when properly maintained, and the Civic's overall engineering reflects the same conservative, reliability-first philosophy that has made Honda one of the most trusted automotive brands in American history. For buyers who want something slightly more engaging to drive than the Corolla while maintaining the same exceptional long-term reliability, the Civic is the perfect alternative. The Toyota Camry represents the best value proposition in the mid-size sedan segment of the used car market under $15,000. A clean 2012 or 2013 Toyota Camry, a vehicle that originally sold for over $23,000 new, can be purchased today for between $12,000 and $14,500, giving buyers extraordinary value for their investment. The Camry's larger cabin, smoother ride, and more powerful engine deliver a significantly more comfortable driving experience than the Corolla while maintaining virtually identical long-term reliability. Camry owners have documented mileage figures of 200,000, 250,000, and even 300,000 miles with consistent routine maintenance, making it one of the most financially intelligent used car purchases available in America today. The Honda Accord rounds out the Japanese reliability quartet as the premium option in this budget category. A clean 2012 or 2013 Honda Accord, a vehicle that originally sold for over $25,000 new, can be purchased today for between $12,000 and $14,500, giving buyers extraordinary value for their investment. The Accord's larger cabin, smoother ride, and more powerful engine deliver a significantly more comfortable comfortable driving experience than the Corolla while maintaining virtually identical long-term reliability. Honda engines are legendary among mechanics for their ability to accumulate enormous mileage when properly maintained, and the Accord's overall engineering reflects the same conservative, reliability-first philosophy that has made Honda one of the most trusted automotive brands in American history. The Mazda 3 is the most underrated vehicle on this list and represents a genuine hidden gem in the American used car market under $15,000. While Toyota and Honda dominate reliability conversations, Mazda has quietly built a reputation for producing vehicles that feel significantly more premium than their price suggests, while delivering reliability records that rival the Japanese giants. A clean 2014 or 2015 Mazda 3 can be purchased for between $10,000 and $13,000, and owners consistently report trouble-free ownership experiences stretching well past 150,000 and 200,000 miles, making the Mazda 3 the choice for buyers who want something that feels special without paying a premium price. Every vehicle on this list shares the same fundamental qualities that separate genuinely reliable used cars from the money pits that flood American lots at similar prices. Conservative engineering, proven reliability records, accessible and affordable maintenance, strong communities of experienced owners, and real-world documentation of long-term dependability. These are the qualities that make a used car worth every dollar of its $15,000 price tag and many thousands of miles beyond.